How to allow Google Photos to backup using mobile data on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, you want to go down and tap on backup data. Then scroll down and tap on photos and videos. Next, scroll down, then tap on mobile data usage. At the top here, by default, it will be set to no data. So you can set a limit. So here we can set to 100 megabytes or unlimited. So if you have unlimited mobile data plan, you can choose unlimited. This will allow you to backup photos and videos over your cellular network. Okay, so you can also turn on or switch off backup videos because videos files tends to take up a lot of data. So you can switch it off, or you can simply turn it on if you have unlimited plan. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.